Nestled in the heart of peaceful Vale, this charming country home offers breathtaking views of rolling farmland and distant mountain ridges, your own private slice of rural North Carolina. The main level features 3 comfortable bedrooms and 1 full bath, complemented by a completely remodeled kitchen that blends modern updates with everyday functionality. Downstairs, the unfinished basement provides excellent expansion potential and includes an additional bathroom. The basement has been painted with Drylok, offering added moisture protection and a clean, ready-to-use space for storage, a workshop, or future living area. Outside, the property truly shines. A large barn plus 2 additional barn/storage buildings provide abundant space for equipment, hobbies, animals, or storage, ideal for those seeking a small homestead, hobby farm, or extra workspace. A newly installed water filtration system adds peace of mind and enhances everyday living. Enjoy quiet mornings and sunset evenings taking in the picturesque countryside and mountain views, all while remaining convenient to nearby towns and amenities.